Woo! Yeah! High five! On that. Look, I'm a flying donkey. Yeah!
You're looking at me? You're looking at me in my loud shirt? We're going to raise $100 million.
I look good on the telly, don't I?
You look stuck. Chase,
What the hell are you doing here?
I'm moving up.
You're just gonna have to go home, it's the plan.
I didn't plan for this. You have a son?
It's all coming back to me. Hey, I'm from the back of me.
I wanted to go back to Kitty's base, something.
Coming back to
She
me.
shouldn't be here. She made it already.
I'm from the back of me. Oh, it's all coming back to me. Hey, I'm from the back of me. Oh, it's all coming back to me. Hey, from the back of me. Oh, it's all coming back to me. Hey, from the back of me.
Hey guys, welcome to Whatever Wednesdays here at Bar. I'm very excited. Tell us what's going on tonight, Jolly.
Mate, it's the 4th birthday of Whatever Wednesdays. Welcome to Whatever Wednesdays, guys. Joel, Ryan, here with Caitlin and Vanessa.
Spend my
Collie was really just started from a dream that, from a business dream and also a lifestyle dream, that we just wanted to make a really fun fashion store, that it could be a place where girls come together and clothes come together, music comes together and art comes together, and we just really wanted to create a really fun space. I think something that really makes Polly stand out is that we're a style store, not a label store. We all know that there's a lot of kind of snobby fashion stores out there, but to me that's not what fashion's about. I think fashion's about expressing and learning who you are and just using your fashion as an art. So we try and give girls a lot of tools to express themselves. So we stock a lot of colour, a lot of dresses, a lot of detail and direction in our fashion that girls will always find what's happening overseas or what's happening new in Polly. So we really focus on that there's no boring bits at Polly. Polly 100 is an opportunity for girls to come underneath the Princess Polly banner and have their own business. So essentially you still have your own business, but you're working with the support of a group. So A, the support of a brand, or B, the support of other girls that are doing the same thing that you're doing, running their own business. You only get one life. So many girls are out there dreaming about having their own business. They're just dreaming about a better lifestyle for themselves, about having their own fashion store. And it's an easy thing to do if you're working with people that know what they're doing. That can be quite challenging to go into business yourself. I think that's a great reason to really work with Princess Polly, because when you have the support of the brand, it just makes things so much easier. So we can help girls with finance, we can help girls sourcing sites, signing leases, all those things that make it a little bit more difficult to get into business. When you're working with Polly 100, those things become easy.